Justin, the BCCI has slammed Pakistan regarding Bangladesh. Bangladesh, as you know, is skipping participating in the T20 World Cup. The BCCI, in its latest comments, has said Pakistan is misleading Bangladesh and Bangladesh should not be carried away by Pakistan. That's the sharp rebuke to Pakistan Cricket Board. BCCI Vice President Rajiv Shukla has now accused Pakistan of unnecessary interference and attempting to sabotage India-Bangladesh cricket relations. Mr. Shukla clarified that India was fully committed to hosting Bangladesh for this upcoming T20 World Cup, but accused Pakistan of misleading our neighbours into a confrontational stance. Listen in to Rajiv Shukla's latest remarks.
Well, we wanted to invite Bangladesh. We wanted Bangladesh to play, participate in the World Cup. We had given all assurances to them, to their board, that foolproof security would be provided to their players. There won't be any harm to their players. Despite of that, if they have decided not to come to India, I think it's their mistake. They should not get carried away what Pakistan is suggesting them. Pakistan is unnecessarily misleading Bangladesh. They should not mislead them.
Rika Roy is tracking the latest developments. She joins us over the phone line this morning. Rika Roy, we've just heard the BCCI clarifying that India is fully committed to hosting Bangladesh, but then also accusing Pakistan of misleading our neighbours into this confrontational stance.
There's a lot of water that has flown under the bridge right now, and Pakistan did vote in favor of Bangladesh not coming to India and playing their matches in Sri Lanka when the ICC board went to vote on the 21st, and they got only 2 of the 16 votes and were completely outvoted. And at that point, Bangladesh was given 24 hours to decide to come to India or to be booted out of the World Cup, and they decided not to turn up despite all the security assurances. Now, this is BCCI's point of view that's coming through. They're saying that Pakistan is misleading, or rather insinuating Bangladesh, and in having done so, they have caused them grave harm, and now they are out of the World Cup despite having rightfully earned their place through qualifiers. They will not be able